Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today, another Blackstone Griddle recipe. And so far not a thunderstorm is in sight, so one may pop up. But anyway, I'm going to cook pancakes. I'm going to test out cooking pancakes. This will be the first time I've cooked it on here. And I thought I would turn the camera on and bring you along. So, I'm also doing bacon, sausage, hash browns and stuff. So let me get that going, and when I get ready to do the pancakes, I will bring you back. Okay, my sausage and bacon's done. My hash browns are almost done. I didn't cook nothing on this side of the grill, and I have it on low. So, I'm going to pour a little bit of butter, even though this is non-stick. So I do it at home, in the house. Ooh, this grill's hot.
I would do a tester first.
Run in and get a pan to put these in it. Now, I like little pancakes. And I tell you, it didn't take long for the bacon and the sausage to cook at all. And I'm glad it's hot out here. So I'm just going to leave the camera rolling. See actually when I need to flip them. It's supposed to be when the bubbles come to the top and start popping. Oh yeah, they're ready. Oh, look how pretty. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's beautiful pancakes.
See, I have it.
Yay. Alright, move the stuff, Vicky. I need to take the pancakes up. They're ready. Maybe cheese, girl. Alright, this batch is done. Now on to the next batch. And I think they look good and pretty. If you want to add fruit or nuts, I like pecan pancakes. So normally I add some pecans to mine, but I didn't tonight. Beautiful, and it smells just like a good old country breakfast out here. Alright, I'll meet you inside. Alright, this whole meal with the sausage, the bacon, the hash browns, and the pancakes might have took 10 minutes. In the house, you'd have all these different pans going and stuff. 10 minutes out in the heat. One big old griddle just to clean up, and it's very easy to clean. And I've got supper. So, we love breakfast for supper. And we're all a little under the weather, so anyway, now time to try it. And I don't put syrup over my pancakes. I dip it. If y'all know me, it's a texture thing, and it makes it kind of mushy. Perfect. Perfect. Now let me prop my fork up under here so they don't get mushy from the steam. I'm weird. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along as I make pancakes for the first time on my Blackstone Griddle, and it will not be my last time. Everything else is good. We've done had it a million times before. I'm telling you, everything tastes better. Cleanup will be a breeze. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. And I want to give a shout out to my good friend Amanda over at Cookie Tuck's Family. I'm going to leave a link to her video. She did pancakes on her Blackstone too. So go over there and tell them that Cricket sent you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.